Okay, so behind me is San Miguel Street, Rua de São Miguel. Go check it out. And also I'm kind of playing around with the camera a little bit. It's a GoPro 12. So we're going to see what vibrant looks like. And we're also going to see, hopefully, kind of having some stabilization issues with this new camera. We'll see if we can figure that out too. But anyways, it doesn't really matter because what we're going to do is, but you check out the vibrancy setting and to see what that looks like. And we're going to check out this one right here, Rua de São Miguel. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're going to be heading up this way. I'll show you these signs. There's a few of them around here. So we're going to take our camera with us. And then the first thing we're going to do is take a look downhill. So this one right here is Calçada do Poço. And that, everything kind of goes downhill a little bit. So that one goes down that way. And then that's Rua de Campo, and it goes north-south direction. And then we're going to come up this way. And then up this way you can see there's the same sign, Calçada do Poço. And then Rua de São Miguel is directly ahead. And then you start going up everywhere. So that one's down. Then this one goes down towards São Lazaro, St. Lazarus. You got some kind of interesting streets everywhere. And let's focus on our particular street. But that one goes up. Those go up to Mount Fort. So that's our target street right there. And yeah, that one will eventually kind of go up. I think that'll be a separate video. It doesn't matter because we're gonna be going down this one, San Miguel Street. And I get on vibrant. We'll see what the vibrant does as far as cameras go. There's a nice Ursuline. We're gonna head down that way. Yeah, I'm kind of curious if the vibrant actually does much effect or not to it. I guess we'll find out in a moment. Before we go down San Miguel, there's also a guitar center right there as well. Morgan's Guitar Center. Okay, so let's come around this way. And then that's actually that barber shop that looks kind of cool. And also those steps that go up. There's two sets of steps that go up. I think they go down, they go two different directions as well. Kind of meander. It's kind of a nice rainy day, which could bring out some nice colors too. And you can see some of the streetlights around already. This building has a nice curvature to it. And we're going to be coming out to São Lazaro. So that's where this is going to lead us to. São Lazaro has a what do you call that? It has a I think it used to be a leper colony. That's kind of interesting right there. So between those buildings you got even more buildings. Huh. Kind of a mess of buildings. Let's go across. You can kind of see, so this São Lazaro's St. Lazarus church district. And you got some interesting stuff already. The door looks kind of interesting right there. Kind of got a lot of different boutique shops. I feel like the vibrancy setting is kind of kicking in a little bit. We'll see if that's actually good or bad. I'm just not really sure. I'll just leave it as is though. So we're still on Rua de São Miguel. Okay. Kind of have a rainy day today. So we're still on San Miguel Street, St. Michael's. Yeah, I think when they developed this area, as far as I know, I think it was about 100 years ago. Huh. Yoho Kotai Mount Peak. Oh, this is the one that's near huh, looks a lot different. Kotai Strip. It's near Broadway Casino, Galaxy Casino. So I think when they first started developing this, I think it was about 100 years ago. So later, if we can see any signs for the years. But I believe part of the story is that around that time they were really trying to build up the image of Macau, and then they built this whole new little area as well. Oh, looks pretty cool. Looks nice. Gonna step out, but that looks interesting. So it looks like this is a gallery, G32 gallery. It looks like they're going to do more stuff in here too. Looks like a bar. So I don't know. San Miguel Street. Look at those places up there. This is a nice area though. The secret of the golden flower. The colors are quite vibrant. If that's interesting, maybe I might use it more often, but this is my first time to try that function. This is always beautiful. Yeah, this is such a great area. They have a lot of artwork in this area. The secret of the golden flower. Curator Chung. Huh, okay. So that's going to be the end of San Miguel, and then if we keep going up this one, it says Rua de Eduardo Marquez, and this is actually a kind of an interesting street as well, as you can see. And up there is St. Michael's Cemetery, so it's a Catholic cemetery, and there's always tours going through there as well. But our St. Michael Street is that one right there, and then I'm going to just take you over to the St. Lazarus real quick. Wait for this car to go by and this other one to go by. So that's our target street. And we're just going to walk down real quick. I have to read more about the history of this area. I just know just a little bit, but I don't know a lot. I think it's the order of the Jesuits, but there's like a few competing orders in this area. There's another beautiful street to film. St. Roque. And then I think this church, or this building right here, was just recently restored. And I don't know the story behind that exactly. I think I heard that it's kind of a Buddhist temple now, but I'm not 100% sure. Then we got the new street of St. Lazarus, which is right there. Folong is down that way. And you kind of have this really interesting building right there, even with phone booths to it. Ardo de Salazar. So now we have San Jose Diocese. So I don't know if they're Jesuits. I forget the story. There's like there was Dominicans that were here. There was Jesuits. There was a couple other orders, and they were kind of competing to see who is going to be the Catholic representation of the city. And I'm not really so clear about which ones is which and what the difference is. But this would have been one that would have expanded at this time period out into this area. So anyways, pretty cool. So we're gonna head back. And this area is definitely worth exploring. So if you do come over to, I think they're restoring that one as well. I'll probably do that St. Roque Street in a little bit. Huh, it's funny. There's a lantern right there, and they either they cut that out, or when they turn it on, it heats up and it cinches the green part. I don't know which one. It's interesting anyways. So yeah, I'll have to read up on which diocese, which order was which, Jesuits, Dominicans. There's some kind of mandate to try to proselytize Asia, so they were all in Macau and kind of competing a little bit. And that's St. Miguel Street right there. Okay, there you go. There it is. And right on that note. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.